stone crab capital of the world.
Welcome, welcome. We are in Everglades City, Florida. It's been a minute. It's rainy, but we're going on an airboat tour.
Coming to you live, Everglades City Airboat Tours.
That's right.
This is Captain Matt. We're going to get sideways.
You killed it?
Yes, we're 17 feet long.
You killed it.
I promise you, I wouldn't make up a lie.
Oh,
That's insane.
That snake weighed like 160 pounds.
160 pounds.
160 pounds. There you go.
How did you kill it?
With a knife.
At night?
Yeah. When you're from around here, you always carry a good old boy knife. Just like that.
And you killed it with that?
Right here.
Oh.
That's pretty much what we do out here. We do a little bit of gator hunting, hog hunting, deer hunting. Here's one of the alligators I killed last year.
Wow. Boy. Did you eat it?
I sell them.
Okay.
I just
You don't eat it.
I do. I have, yeah. But this year I just sold it. Just was like, yeah, might as well sell them this year. I've already had a bunch of meat before, so didn't really have much to do with it. So I said, I'll just sell them all. That's about $600, $700 gator. This snake skin probably like $700-800. They can make belts, wallets, boots. They can make all sorts of stuff with this thing.
Yeah, get yourself a pair of boots.
You
made
feel
out
it?
of that.
Yeah, actually.
It's good. It just feels nice. It's just
Yeah.
it's leather.
Yeah.
Like it came from a leather factory. Like makes purses, belts, wallets. So that's all I did. I just go out there and catch these snakes when I don't have nothing else to do.
Nice. Not a bad pastime.
Just drive around on the road at nighttime with a spotlight. That's all you do.
That's how easy they are to find.
You could go out tonight on the road with any type of car and drive on the road and find.
They don't like us hunting with a spotlight in Michigan.
Yeah, they don't like that anywhere. But you don't even need a license to snake hunt. It's the only thing you don't.
It's
need.
always
Yes.
open?
What?
The hunt is always open.
It's always open.
Okay.
They say to qualify to go catch snakes, like to go catch one of these, you just have to go buy a 24-pack of beer. That's it. That stick far right.
All right.
Yeah, up, forward. Just forward up. Yeah, that's perfect. So then this is the key back here. There's a gas pedal right here. Process of forward is right, back is left. And the more
you can kick your feet up, I'll get the string down.
the more gas you give it, the faster you get it. So it's pretty simple. That's it. You can drive it right.
Literally like a lawnmower. Welcome back to the Crazy Travel Guys.
Just finished up the Everglades tour, ripping through the mangrove forests down here in Everglades City, seeing some birds. No gators really.
No gators.
A little rainy. Gators are sleeping, hiding right now, but what do you think? That was awesome.
It was awesome. I mean, in the middle of our tour, Captain Matt whipped out a 13, 18-foot long python skin, and then these Europeans next to us were like, "How'd you kill it?" Well, with a knife, and he whipped out his knife. So
This knife right here.
yeah, right, that knife right there. That's all you need. So we're still hunting for python.
Every
but,
man down here needs a knife.
yeah, you really do. Everglades City. So first stop was the airboat tour. Now we need to go python hunting, but we also have to try the food. This is the stone crab capital of the world.
Stone crab claws.
First we're gonna go eat some gator. We're gonna eat some stone crab and maybe frog legs. Stay tuned, as always. And if you live in Everglades City, here's where I believe you go to school. Right next to the fishing area. A lot of fish here. Wow. What's this, G?
Little fried green tomatoes. Little southern delicacy, huh?
I got the shrimp. Incredible. Little orange sauce on it. Just a little rain out in the river.
Not too much.
These fried tomatoes are incredible. Coconut shrimp done. Next course. Now that is some stone crab. How is it?
Really good.
Good crab.
Yeah. A little different texture than like a snow crab, but really good flavor.
Obviously, it's really not sunny Florida right now, but what a tiny town. You got one school. Here's your church. And let's go check out downtown. Vámonos. And just like that, the weather has cleared. And we're gonna go to the Everglades Museum. Gavin doesn't think it's open.
There's no shot.
No shot.
Blinds look pretty shut off. It looks pretty dark in there.
We are the only car here so far. Learning a lot.
I'm trying. Of course, Joe Patch.
First coming to Florida in 1911, the Memphis-born millionaire had purchased thousands of acres of land in southern Lee County, including George W. Storter's property in
Very small town. This is downtown. All in one.
That's what you'd expect.
It's beautiful out now. It's been cold all week. That was Everglades City. What do you think?
It was a nice little town. It's great stone crabs. Highly recommend. Go do a boat tour. Go grab some stone crab after. Explore a little water. See all the ginormous birds they've got down
A lot
here.
of big
Just the
birds.
biggest birds I've ever seen.
Stay tuned. We were at the Skunk Ape Research headquarters.
We're gonna see if Bigfoot's real today.
Let's find out. What up, snakes?